What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and if it's your first time watching, what is up? I hope you're doing well. This is my first monthly pickup video since the back end of November, only because December was so busy for me. It was crazy busy and I didn't actually pick up all that much. However, I've actually picked up a few cool pieces this month and I really want to share them with you. But before we get into that part of the video, I just want to say, if you do enjoy watching, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also to subscribe to the channel because it really helps. First items up, I've got these two sick Supreme t-shirts. They were actually part of the last drop of 2017. Supreme won't actually be releasing any clothing for a while now because they're preparing for their 2018 summer collection. I think that goes live in like 1 or 2 months time. Anyway, I'm a huge fan of their t-shirts. The quality is very good and they've always got very cool designs. This is one of the t-shirts I bought and it's just got this like sort of crazy Texas Chainsaw Massacre Halloween print on it. And yeah, like I said earlier, I just love the Supreme t-shirts that are a little bit different. They've got like crazy prints. And to be fair, it's still got like a very nice subtle Supreme logo going down the sides. I don't know whether you guys follow me on Instagram, but I took a really sick picture with this on and you can really see like all the details of the t-shirt and it looks so good. It should be on your screen now. If you plan on buying any Supreme t-shirts from last season, such as this one, I'd really recommend going a size down. This whole season has been a massive hoo-ha about the sizing. In my opinion, they've been fitting really big. I usually take a large, but this whole season I have to take size medium. And that's what I've done with this t-shirt here, and this is how it looks on. Second Supreme t-shirt is the Supreme Gonz tee. I'm actually a huge fan of the whole Gonz design. I think it's so cool. They dropped some really nice products last season which I need. As you can see, you just got a simple logo on the front. There's nothing actually on the back. And the reason I've got a brown is basically because I don't own anything brown and I quite like the blue on there. I think it makes it pop. I've got this in a size large and personally think it's a little bit big. So let me know what you think down below in the comments, but this is how it looks on. If you've seen my last video, you know I picked up a brand new pair of the Yeezy Calabasas French Terry sweatpants. If you haven't seen that video, please give it a watch. It's going to be linked at the end of this video and also down in the description below. But for you guys that haven't seen that video, they're a bit more regular fitting compared to the Calabasas track pants. They're made with a French Terry material, which is so comfortable, honestly, they're so sick. And if you did want to grab a pair, I'd really recommend either staying true to size or dropping a waist size down if you want more of a tighter fit. I bought a size small and this is how it looks on. Next up, I've got a ton of clothes from a brand called Rarefied, and I just want to say a massive thank you and shout out to Sid over at Rarefied because he actually watches my videos all the way from Australia, which is mental. So he reached out and said, look, is it cool if we send you over a few bits? Of course I was buzzing because I got some sick pieces. They sent me out a huge care package and I want to share it with you guys. Within that care package, I got a sick pair of acid wash denim jeans. I got these in a size small, which I believe is the equivalent to a 28 waist to a 30 waist, and these are how they look on. Really nice stretchy elastic fit and they're going to be perfect coming up to summer. The next item really gives me like Yeezy season vibes. It's this really sick oversized t-shirt with a half sleeve and it's in this sort of like toweling material and just feeling that the material is so good. I can tell it's really high quality. The fit of this particular t-shirt is quite big, so I'd say don't go for like your oversized size, which for me would be like a large XL. Just go true to size. I've got this in a size small and this is how it looks on. As you can see there, it's a pretty sick fit and I just like the embroidery on it as well. It just says average is death. Just remember guys, if you're going to pick this one up, just go a size down or stay true to size. The next few items I'm going to show you are definitely my favourite. As you can see here, I've got a pinstripe polo with a very small collar and this is definitely more of like a summer pickup. You can undo the buttons and wear it really nice and freely and it's in this really nice soft elastic material, so it's very comfortable to wear, and this is how it looks on. As you can see from those shots there, this definitely has more of a regular fit and I took a size small. I'm a huge fan of this item and I was so happy when they sent it in the care package. It's this really sick sort of like beige suede trench coat. For me, trench coats are timeless and it's an essential item that every guy should have in their wardrobe. I just really like the modern design of this trench coat and the fact that you can wear it at both smart and casual occasions is just so ideal. In terms of the fit, I actually went a size up for this. I took a size medium, only so I could wear a few layers underneath, and this is how it looks on. Last but certainly not least is Rarefield's long line denim jacket. long line denim overshirt, long line denim jacket, whatever you want to call it. All I know is that as soon as I saw this piece, I immediately fell in love with it. It's so sick. I definitely got Fear of God vibes from this. I'll be honest with you, I was a little bit unsure whether I could wear this or not, although I did have an outfit in mind, and as soon as I tried it on with that outfit, it just dropped so clean, and I'm a huge fan of it. The material is exceptional, and it's got a really nice thick inner lining to keep you warm. I took a size small, and this is how it looks on.
You hold my heart, you break these fears, 'cause you align with all the rhythms inside me. You can unwind me. I got a heart shaped holding me. You're the center of my galaxy. You're the space in me that never stops dreaming, never stops feeling.
And that is everything from Rarefied. Once again, a massive thank you to Steve for sending all that stuff down. There's some sick pieces in there. Let me know, guys, in the comments down below, what was your favourite piece from Rarefied? And if you did want to buy any of it for yourself, you can actually use my discount code, which is Charlie10 at checkout. And once again, that is Charlie10 at the checkout if you want 10% off. I've also linked their website down below in the description, so if you want to go check them out, go for it. If you guys have any questions at all about the sizing, just drop them down below in the comments and I'll get back to you. And just before I shoot off, I just want to let you guys know about the giveaway I'm currently doing. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I'll be giving away a £50 ASOS gift voucher. There's just two very simple things you need to do to be in a chance to win. The first is to subscribe to me on YouTube, and the second is to follow me on Instagram. That is my Instagram there, guys. So you've got to make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I'll be contacting the winner via Instagram. Those are all of my pickups for January. I hope you like them. If you did want to watch any more of my videos, I'm going to link a few down below, so go check them out. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Charlie Turner, and I'll see you lot very soon in the next video. Take care.